So, what is carding? Carding is an art or technique to buy anything from online shopping sites. Carding is a process where user or carder purchases good using hacked or stolen credit card detail. Hackers steal the details of credit card and then buy stuff using these credit card details. Carding is an art of technique. If you want to learn carding, you have to give it your time. If you are noob, then it is expected that you shall fail sometime. But the key to success is not to stop and keep practicing. The success rate of carding is very low because if the site gets an unknown transaction from hacked or stolen credit card information, they usually reverse the transaction or cancel the order placement. In simple terms, carding means to steal someone's credit card detail and use it for personal benefit. There are various ways of carding and stealing credit and debit card details.